Good morning, students. I am Kirti Paliwal, physical education teacher in the Brilliant Public School, Aligarh. Today I am here to give you some demonstration regarding basic warm-up exercises do at your home for kids and like first and second class students. As all you know, at this time we all are fighting against coronavirus disease. So I request to all of you, please घर पर रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए and use mask and hand sanitizer for your protection. Now we start our first session, which name is basic warm-up exercises for kids like first and second class students. Now before we start our warm-up exercises, we have some restriction. Like we do this exercises early in the morning and evening. And बिफोर 2 hours अगर हमने 2 घंटे पहले तक कुछ भी ना खाया हो तो हम ये एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं. बट फॉर बेटर रिजल्ट वी डू दीज एक्सरसाइजेस अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग. नाउ वी स्टार्ट अवर एक्सरसाइजेस. वी स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम टो टू हेड या फिर हेड टू टो. मिड से स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे हम. नाउ वी स्टार्ट टो टू हेड. फर्स्टली वी विल डू ऑन स्पॉट जॉगिंग like this. See, first exercise is on spot jogging. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this, just swing your hands and like up and down, up and down. Now go together. 1 2 3 4. Do this exercise on spot jogging up to 30 times, means 30 count. Now the second exercise is forward bending. In this, you just raise your hand up. Now exhale करते हुए आपको forward bend करना है अपनी upper body को, means सांस को बाहर छोड़ते हुए. Start. Now try to touch your finger on your toe. Now inhale करते हुए ऊपर आना है, slowly slowly. Down. Up. Done. Do this second exercise up to 10 times. Firstly forward bend, then stand up, then forward bend, then stand up. Now the third exercise is lateral bending. How we can do lateral bending? In this, you just stand properly like this and you just shift your upper body from the right side like this. And do this as much as you can. जितना possible हो आपको उतना shift होना है. Now change, left side. Now change, right side. Now change, left side. Do this third exercise up to 10 times. 5 times each. 5 times right, 5 times left. Now the fourth exercise is twisting. Twist right, then left. Firstly a part of feet up to the shoulder level. Now twist towards the right side. 1 2 left, 3 right, 4 left. Do this twisting up to 10 times, like 5 times right, then 5 times left. Now come to the fifth exercise. Fifth exercise is arm rotation. Now we firstly do the leg exercise, then waist, then shoulder. Now arm rotation, hands forward. The start rotation. 1 2 3 4. Do this properly. Now backward rotation. 1 2 3 4. Do this forward and backward rotation up to 10 times. 5 times forward, then 5 times backward. Now come to the last and sixth exercise is neck up and down and neck right and left. Start. In this, you just if you want to place your hand on your waist, so just you place your hand on your waist. Now start. Head up, look up, don't close your eyes, head down. Now try to touch your chin on your neck. Up, down. Do this up and down neck up to 10 times. 5 times up, 5 times down. Now go towards the right, left, right, left. Do this up to 10 times. Right, then left, then right, then left. Now in this warm-up session, we do 6 exercises. So I hope you will enjoy my session. And when we go to do any PT exercises, या फिर any skill, any game, when we want to play any game, we do this warm-up exercise. Now thank you all of you for watching my video, and please follow this in your daily life for your better physical fitness. Thank you.